up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today had kind of a surprise today. I was going over to Vance's house, the guy with the silver 06, for those of you that are just joining us. He's got a silver 06 Dodge 2500 Cummins. I was going over to his house to film the exhaust comparison between the straight pipe factory exhaust and the 5-inch turbo back. Well, his brother was home, and his brother has a 2005 Ford F-250 with a 6.0 Powerstroke. So I actually ended up getting a walk-around video, startup, etc. with that truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this video first, and then I'll post the exhaust video probably Thursday or Friday. It takes a little more editing and stuff to get that video together. So this one was pretty quick. It's a walk-around, not a lot of editing involved. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one first, just for the record. Also, one of the things I wanted to cover is my PlayStation shirt. I will be wearing that in both videos. So 2 videos in a row, I'm going to have this shirt. It's not that I wore the same shirt twice. Of course, my phone's going off. Okay, now we're on vibrate. So it's not that I wore the shirt 2 days in a row. Actually, I filmed both videos at the same time, and so that's why. It's just the walk-around video is long enough to be its own video. It's like 8 or 9 minutes or something before I edit it, so it'll probably end up being like 10. But yeah, so it's long enough to be its own, so I figured, you know what, I'll just go ahead and make that its own. I don't want to cut anything else into the exhaust video, so that's what I'm going to do, just so you guys kind of got an idea what's going on. Also, I have another announcement. The CenFlo diesel channel got a new addition, and he's right over here. So everybody say hi. Say hi to this little guy. Yeah, that's our new fur baby. He's quick, gets away from me. But yeah, so that's our new little fur baby. He's a full-blooded AKC registered Labrador. His name is Guinness, for those of you that are interested. Yeah, Guinness, like the beer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, put the clip in now, and then I'll see you guys after. Alright, so this is Vance's brother's truck. Vance's brother's name's Zach, even though he didn't want to be in the video, because he's a turd, because nobody wants to be in the video for some reason. But anyway, this is his truck. It's a F-250, as you can see. It's got the old 6.0 Powerstroke in it, turbo diesel. It's a pretty good looking truck. Not sure what the wheels are, but they look like some Methods. Let's see if I can get a better view over here. It's kind of dark right there. They look like some Method wheels. Not 100% sure on that, but you got them off Craigslist. Got a pretty good deal on them, so it doesn't really matter, I don't guess. But he's running, they're 17, look like maybe a 17x9. These are 305 7017 Terra Grappler, Nitto Terra Grapplers. As you can see, it's a pretty clean truck. Just kind of get you guys a little walk around here. It's got the aftermarket headlights in it. Not 100% sure what the headlights are. Just aftermarket, tinted. Almost like a Harley Davidson look, but they got the LED strip in the middle. Blacked out grille. Forward emblem looks pretty good. I like the black and red. As you can see, looks pretty good. It's a good looking truck. I like it. We'll go around here and look in it. Kind of check it out a little bit. I always thought this was kind of neat. A little keypad to get in the door. Always thought that was cool for the Fords. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Seat's not tore or nothing. Interior looks good. Got his fancy double din, nice Kenwood. Got the 4-wheel drive up here because he's weak like his brother. Gotta have it in the floor like a real man. He's got 208. I don't know if you can see that. Uh-oh, it went away. Well, let's see. I'll put the key in it. That'll help. Oh, no, it's just gonna tell me door ajar. How about that? Alright. It's just gonna tell me door ajar, but let me hop in it. Alright, so hold up. Alright, so it's got 208,688. This truck is bulletproof. We'll get out and walk around the outside. Hop around out here. Got his hair dryer going. Get around here and open the hood. Not a lot to see under the hood, but it's clean at least. But yeah, the truck is bulletproof. It's got head studs, upgraded FICM, upgraded oil cooler, EGR valve delete, EGR cooler delete. So I'm gonna get him on camera anyway. Vance's brother, Zach. As you can see, stock airbox. So definitely a clean truck. He just got it not that long ago. He's had it for a few months, I think, but it's definitely a good looking truck. Got a pretty good deal on it. You know, of course, it's already bulletproofed and everything, so that helps. He put the exhaust on it. I think it's a 5-inch, right? Yeah, it's a 5-inch turbo back exhaust. He's got it dropped. It's not really an axle dump, but he's got it dropped right about where the spare tire's at. So that's kind of a clean look. I mean, you can't really see it. I don't know if he's gonna kick it out the rest of the way and maybe throw a tip on it or something, but definitely a clean look. He wants to put it right in here, kick it out in front of the front of the rear tire, so that'd be kind of cool. So then we got our sweet decal up here. Show you guys our sweet decal. So very cool, very cool. But anyway, so I think he's about to head out. You about to head out, right? Yeah, he's about to head out. So we'll just, I don't know, maybe get him to rev it a couple times, and then we'll get a quick clip while he takes off so you guys can hear it. And if you guys want to see some 6.0 content, we'll keep some tabs on his truck. So I don't know if we got any 6.0 fans out there, I'm sure, but yeah, if you guys are interested. So gonna give us a couple revs here. Yeah, sounds pretty good for 6.0. Nah, 6.0s sound good. 6.0s are one of the best sounding Fords in my opinion. But yeah, he's got to take off, so we'll get a quick video here. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So he doesn't have any tuning on it though. It's stock tuning and then just the turbo back exhaust for right now, other than the bulletproof stuff, which, as you guys know, bulletproof in a 6.0, that adds like 400 horsepower anyway. So I mean, he's got to be pushing 850. Yeah, we all know that's true, right? So gotta grab my can of unleaded. All right, so yeah, just over here, so figured we'd make a quick video of that. Okay, so that was the walk around video, his 05. Unfortunately, I missed it when it had stock wheels and the stock exhaust. You know, I like to show the progression of things, in case y'all couldn't tell. So I was kind of upset that I missed that progression, but you know, at least I caught it when I did. He's got some other stuff he's doing, so that's going to work out. So you know, I'm excited to see what he's got going on. So we'll follow his build. So I was talking to him off camera about, you know, about his truck being bulletproof and all that, and I told him that I was going to bulletproof my truck as well. And he was like, "Really? You're going to bulletproof your 07?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he's like, "I didn't know, like, you could bulletproof a Cummins. I didn't know that was a thing." And I was like, "Yeah, actually it is." And I got the parts with me too, if you want to see. And so, because luckily I had them with me. So, you know, so I took him around, and I was like, "Yeah, man, you know, come over here, check it out." So I opened the door, and I was like, "To bulletproof a Cummins, this is all you need. This is the only part you need." That's it, man. That's all you need. That's all it takes. So anyway, enough fooling around. Enough jokes on the 6.0 guys. Yeah, so I know I'll cut the banter out. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the upload. You know, like I said, we'll follow up with his truck and, you know, see what all he's got going on, things like that. So if you enjoyed the upload, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.